So today we're going to be working on first grade standard 1OA1, which is use addition and subtraction within 20 to solve word problems involving situations of adding to, taking from, putting together, taking apart, and comparing. So in kindergarten, students do addition, putting together, and subtraction, taking apart within 10. But moving into first grade, students are doing those things with different types of problems within 20 instead. Today we're going to work on a special type of problem, which is a comparison problem with the difference unknown. And in this question, it will be asking how many more. So the problem is Lucy has 2 apples. Julie has 5 apples. How many more apples does Julie have than Lucy? So I'm going to start over here on the Build It part of my CRA map, and I'm going to be using some connecting cubes or linking cubes. You can use anything that you have at home. You can use pieces of candy, dice, coins, anything that you have. So I'm going to start by pulling off 2 cubes for Lucy to represent her 2 apples. So I've got 2 on this side, and then I'm going to pull off 5 cubes for Julie, and I'll have those over here on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are Julie's apples, and these are Lucy's apples. Next, I'm going to line these groups up with each other and ask myself, do Lucy and Julie each have 1 apple? Yes, they do. I'm going to link those up and pair those up together. Do Lucy and Julie each have 2 apples? Yes, they do. I'm going to link those up or pair those up together. Do Lucy and Julie each have 3 apples? They do not. So that shows me that Julie has 3 more apples right here. Next, I'm going to move over to my draw it side. In first grade, we like to do quick pictures, so I'm going to do circles for the apples. On this side, I'm going to do Lucy's apples. And on this side, I'm going to do Julie's apples. Lucy has 2 apples, so I'm going to draw those right above her. And Julie has 5 apples. I'll draw those right above her. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, I'll ask myself, do Lucy and Julie each have 1 apple? They do. So I'm going to pair them up or make a connection between them. Do Lucy and Julie each have 2 apples? Yes, they do. So I'll make another connection between them or pair them up. Do Lucy and Julie each have 3 apples? They don't. Lucy is out of apples. So that means Julie has more than Lucy. Julie has 3 more apples than Lucy. Moving on to the right side, I know that Julie has 5 apples. There's a difference between their apples, and Lucy has 2 apples. And I know that 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So the difference between Julie and Lucy's apples is 3. Now you can try a problem on your own. Try this one. Dan has 5 Pokemon. Ashira has 12 Pokemon cards. How many more Pokemon cards does Ashira have than Dan? Good luck!